Good afternoon from Graham Family Farm. Yeah, it's 41 degrees right now. Everything's starting to melt. The mud is popping up. So that's not good news for us feeding or the animals that have to stand in the mud. See, our little dog doesn't like to stand in the snow. She's standing on the rocks there. Right next to her, you can see the mud that's popping through. Means my gravel has sank. This was gravel pretty thick right through here. That's not good. Well, as you can see, the gravel is sinking, the mud's coming up. The bad thing about this soil here, it's clay and there's no rocks in it. I've dug quite a ways down and I've only found a few rocks on this place. Most of the rocks that are here, I've brought in from different places. Here, my little piggies. Yeah. Those grunting noises. Oh yeah. Oh, there's Penelope. What you got for me today? Alright. Oh yeah, I better give them some food. They're hungry. Okay, everybody's been fed. Grain and alfalfa, and they also got some soup. The same goes for on this side. Grain, alfalfa, and soup. That's funny. Yeah, the chickens, they got some chicken feed, some corn, and some other vegetables that came out of a can. What you doing, dog? You eat nice? Well, the family's happy. They didn't get any special treats, but they're eating grain. And of course, they have their alfalfa. They started digging through the alfalfa, which is good, and then they came back to the grain, and the grain comes first. Tastes better. If you need a pig, let me know. I'll try a pig for something. They gotta find a different home. Got too many mouths to feed. Be nice when they're raising this out here, but right now it's just snow. Dog over there eating ice. All right, goat. Well, it's about 6 p.m. now, and it's about 35 degrees or so. Yeah, it's not been too bad of a day as far as being cold, but it's just kind of getting muddy. Can't wait until spring. That's about another 54 days or so. Something like that. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.